excited? Gas over the right side. That's your final time for that left hand, okay? So that's 3. Down gas here. Nice. And then back over the right side. There we go. Nice. And then this is going to be our final time for your rear back into bend. So we have the speed 1. Alright. And we'll stay up to the lights. And we're going to go ahead and look for our blue cones. And we're going to between the blue cones up ahead. We're going to back on in. So to the right. We'll lose. We're going to back on in.
I can go all day.